The person who invented the PCP air rifle is truly a genius. They managed to create a weapon that can deliver a lethal blow to a criminal from hundreds of meters away. Let's take a look at how it works. The full name of a PCP air rifle is a pre-charged pneumatic air rifle. Its principle is very simple. It fires projectiles using compressed air. However, its design is very clever. The lower part of the air rifle is a cylinder that needs to be filled with compressed air through a nozzle at the front before use. The back of the cylinder is connected to a valve. Once the spring is compressed, the compressed air moves to the back. Pay attention to the small channel between the barrel and the cylinder. Since the back of the valve is sealed, the compressed air can only escape through this small channel. It's worth noting that the projectiles of the air rifle are not complete spheres, but have an open tail to increase the contact area with the compressed air. After loading the projectile, you need to push the bolt to move the projectile to the front of the small channel, thus completing the loading process. Then it can be fired. However, it isn't easy to push the valve with just the strength of a finger. To address this, the engineers added a hammer system behind the valve. By pulling the hammer into the trigger mechanism's hook, the spring is compressed, storing energy. This way, only a small amount of force is needed to pull the trigger. To ensure that the range of each fired projectile is consistent, there is a pressure regulator in front of the valve. When it detects insufficient pressure at the back, it automatically opens, supplementing the compressed air from the cylinder, ensuring that the pressure is the same for each shot. Now let's go through the complete process. First, put the projectile into the barrel, then push the bolt to load the projectile, then pull the bolt back to store energy in the hammer, and finally pull the trigger to let the hammer open the valve, allowing compressed air to enter the barrel through the small channel and push the projectile out at high speed.